Guys, we're going to Phoenix today, this morning I should say. So it is 9:22 a.m. We're gonna leave the house at about 10:45. Penelope. Yes, we're also bringing Penelope. So let's show you, wait, I'm gonna show you what Penelope's wearing. OOTD Reborn Edition.
Nice.
This is Penelope, for those of you who don't know. We're taking her to Phoenix, and so she's wearing this cute little sleeper. It has like foxes and owls and all of the cool like little stuff. Now let's do an OOTD for human edition. Okay, so I'm wearing this cute Can't Relate Jeffree Star shirt. And then I'm just wearing some sweatpants because you gotta be comfy on airplanes. And then my hair's just down, I guess. Got Penelope.
We made it, guys. We're going to security right now.
Yes. I will vlog more when we get past security.
Mads, look at Mama. Once you get off. There's Mads and Penelope. Okay, Mads, we made it through security.
Yes.
They did not give us a hard time with Penelope, if you guys don't remember.
Shiloh, but I think it's because Shiloh's more real.
Yeah, that was really rough. So it wasn't rough here in Portland. It was rough in Phoenix. So
yeah, but they didn't have to check her because they didn't have to check her for glass beads.
Yeah,
they did at last time when we brought Shiloh.
The only problem we had was that he wanted us to wait for her to go through the
she wanted
X-ray before we could go through.
Yeah.
No big deal. Are you gonna go on the thing again?
Yes. Guys, if you ever at airport, go on the little like walk.
Here, I'm gonna meet you. Hi, baby. Wow, you're too fast. It does. Mads, look. Bye.
Guys.
Hi.
If any of you guys like live with both of your parents and like are always with them and like travel without them, I always cry.
She's having a hard time leaving her daddy. Wait a minute, where's C? Guys, look at this. It is, I know. It's hot because we're walking too. I'm sweating in my elbows. Here we are.
Look how high we are. It doesn't look like we're that high, but look.
I know. Fun. It's a beautiful day in Portland, Madison. It's gonna be a beautiful day in Phoenix.
It's so hot here, guys. Leave us on, oh wait, we don't have comments, guys.
Give us a thumbs up if.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up if you've ever been to Phoenix, and if you haven't, still give us a thumbs up.
Penelope goes on the.
A lot of our big people.
She what?
She has been on a trip with us.
She has or hasn't? Oh, she hasn't. Penelope's first trip. Daddy's calling. Okay, Penelope has officially made it. We are waiting for our flight that has been delayed 3 times now. Right, Mads? You okay?
Yes.
She's tired from we're all sweaty from our walks. We're taking a break. Look at this sweet girl though. All right, we'll keep you guys updated. Just waiting. Okay, folks at home. Hold on, Daddy. We're gonna do a quick update too. Oh, here, let's show. We have a 2-hour flight delay. So Madison's trying to get a hold of her puppy. Oh, say hi, Pupper Bear.
Hi, Pupper Bear.
I'm gonna turn it around so he can see you.
Say this loud you want. Teddy has to hear your voice. Hi, Teddy. Teddy.
Teddy.
Teddy.
Teddy Bear. Teddy.
Hi, Teddy.
I love his head through his face.
Look at, he's not sure what's going on, huh?
Does he miss me? Is he bored?
Mads, her poor face is, yeah, there you go. Let me see her. Oh, she looks beautiful in the sun.
Yeah. He's bored in his life.
Okay, Mads, tell the folks at home what's going on real quick.
Okay, guys, so we found out that our plane is coming right now, and we're gonna board at like 2:40.
2:40, say we have a 2-hour flight delay.
Yeah, we had a 2-hour flight delay.
So this little missy is tired and ready to go.
She took a nap most of the time.
Yeah, she was napping while we ate pizza.
Wait, Dad, say hi to the folks at home.
And now, yeah, say hi to the folks at home.
Dad, you did.
I'm eating a cookie.
Wow.
Wow. And we're just gonna chat and then we'll let you guys know when she gets on her plane. She's a little nervous, huh?
Okay guys, we'll see you on the plane. Bye.
Alright guys, we're finally about to board, huh? Look at her at the airport. We're going, guys. Matt, give it a little pat. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Okay, there you go. Just get this bag put up. Play solitaire.
Solitaire.
I'll show you on my phone. Okay, give them an update real quick. What's going on, Matt?
Oh my gosh, so we just boarded the plane. Yeah.
Finally.
Finally, yeah. I have to
Can you put her like right by the window?
She's gonna be looking out the window.
Yeah. She's looking out the window. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, Matt. She's looking out the window. Aww. Okay guys, we'll update in a bit. Here she goes. Oh my goodness. Aww. We're about an hour outside of Phoenix.
Guys, we're in like Utah or Nevada.
Yeah. Why don't you let her look outside? Yeah, Vance, put her hands up. Oh my gosh, hold on.
That's so cute. That should be the thumbnail.
Right? Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I'll have to show you. I just fixed it again. Hold on. What does she think?
She loves it.
So much to see, right?
Guys, okay. I'm gonna draw and then I'll be back when I'm done with my drawing.
Okay, she's gonna draw for you. Say hi, Penelope.
Hi.
Her mouth, give me a smile.
I can't see what I'm gonna draw yet.
I'm just pointing at you because you're holding her. Aww, are you gonna hold her while you draw?
Yeah.
She doesn't want you guys to see. It's a surprise.
Okay guys, so I finished my drawing. So guys,
Hold on, the lighting. There we go.
since you guys can't comment, because we don't have comments, what you guys drew, just maybe say it out loud where you are right now, and click the like button so you know that we know. So now here it is. This is what I was basing it on.
You want to show them that?
Okay. This is what I was basing it off of. Yeah. Not the greatest, but it's okay. So yeah, stay tuned for more drawings. Bye! We'll also see you guys when we land. I don't know, but I'm gonna draw some more, so yeah. Bye! Guys, so I was just situating her head and then I was like, look, she's in the corner, but I didn't even go purpose.
Look at her. Let's show them this.
Yeah,
That is so cute.
Let's record it 6.
Madison is an artist.
Oh, why did my teeth say
Yeah, it's a big bag, so I couldn't even get on.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I just wanted to ask something like kind of said that,
Madison's a professional photographer, guys.
That's gorge.
Yes, we got about 30 minutes to go here. We're going to complete the fastest seatbelt sign on the remainder portion of the flight. Mostly clear skies, about 81 degrees down there. Thanks for coming along with us. We want to apologize again for our tardiness, but this worked out that way. We're sorry about that. Hopefully, we take better care of you next time. Thanks for coming along with us. Have a great day down in Phoenix or wherever your travels may take you.
Madison just experienced a big bump and she's like, oh, I love that part. She likes that. jump in her tummy. The wing of the plane. I'm embarrassing her. I'm so loud. Oh my gosh. I was listening to the flight attendant and I was like, and that's like, Mom, you're being done with me.
Guys, I got my sunglasses over.
Oh, it's Penelope. Penelope's gonna watch Slant. Look at her, yay! Yay, Penelope.
She's just
Oh man. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is she cool? Like, they're actually cool.
Look at Mama. You are so cute. Oh my gosh, Miles. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh no, man. Do you?
Oh, guys, I love the landing. And I love the takeoff, too.
Show her while we land. Yay! Oh gosh, not this one.
Oh, God, they're big. Oh. Woo! You can feel them pushing the brakes. Okay, Penelope. Look at the pond.
Honolulu Base Flight crew, like to be the first to welcome you to Phoenix. Welcome to Phoenix.
Wherever we are. Yeah.
Please remain seated. Keep those seatbelts securely fastened. Don't get back to tray tables in your full upright and locked position. All those carry-on items stored underneath that seat in front of you.
She made it. Penelope made it.
I didn't think we were going to make it this far.
We're finally here. We got to go to baggage claim. Look at you. When did you grow up? Hey, turn on so I can see, baby. Yay! Let me see you guys. I know that was a fast one. Like, whoa. Hi, cutie.
What was really good about our flight is it went so good. It was only a 2-hour flight.
Yeah.
Even though we were delayed, it was a shorter flight.
Yes. Yes, that was nice, huh? That's pretty cool, their little thing right there. Madison's got her cute backpack, her cute hair, her Jeffree Star shirt, and her Penelope. We're gonna get our bags. Carousel too.
With one hand in the back.
It's okay, we'll get them. So, Madison's just gonna lay on here and go around.
Oh, I wish.
That would be fun, huh? So our bags are just now getting here, so it might take a minute. Mads, we did it!
Guys, we did think we were gonna do it. We were having a fun time with planes.
I don't like planes too much, guys. This little girl likes them. That little girl does.
Scared for the landing.
She did good though. She was like, yay! Right? Mads, her bouncing. Oh yes, she got it. That's my girl. Yay! That was fast. Hi, honey.
Jude. Hey, don't be a pill. Be nice.
Zoe, who do you have?
That's a little.
This is a video right now. It's doing a video of you. Who do you have in your arms? Penelope. Do you love her?
Yeah.
You can hold babies really well. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
You do hold her really well. Is she cute?
Yes.
Yeah. Aww. She has pretty eyes, huh?
And I can sound like a baby. Cuckoo, gaga.
You do sound like a baby. Aw, she went on an airplane for the first time.
This?
Yeah,
All by herself.
with Madison. She got to look out the window.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
What's her last name?
I guess Patsy, huh?
Name?
Nickname? What do you think? Penelope is what, like Penny? Yeah?
What's her second name?
I don't know. Maybe you could give her a second name.
Maybe Miranda.
Miranda? I love it.
Penny or Miranda?
Call her Miranda now. You're so cute.
But I like to call her Penelope better.
Yeah.
So maybe it's that.
Yeah.
Heck, it's so weird.
She's a blondie, huh?
Yeah, she's a blondie.
She's Madison's favorite right now. Aww. So sweet.
Little socks. It's so cute.
So cute that baby Zozo is thinking something's cute.
When I was a baby, I was so cute.
You still are.
I want to take a picture of the baby.
You want to take a picture of the baby? Okay. What is Penelope doing?
Why are you looking at her eyes? Look at her hand.
Oh, she's how goes like this.
That was above your head. Penelope says, look, Mom. Two of them. Did you go, I got you, Mommy. I got you.
Haha.
I got you from Grandma. Wake up, Mom. I'm awake now. I want to stay up. Get up. Come on, Mama. Let's go. Let's go play. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on. Ouch, sorry. I was trying to get her foot on in there. Stay in your jammies, kiddo.
You check your new arm.
Oh. Mads, move so Sissy can sit next to you. Oh. That was a good one.
What'd you do?
Smacked her right on her butt.
Oh, your nails are sharp.
Mads, come on. You little booty.
Look what Mads did. Look. You're the one who threw it.
And I didn't look.
I think it is. Oh, shoot.
What?
What if there really was a hole in your leggings? You'd want to know.
There's not, because...
Go lay down.
Okay, guys, we made it to the airport. And Mads is drawing. We're going home. Right, Mads? Grandma gave her some calligraphy pens. So she's checking that out. And then Penelope asked if she could try my coffee. So we're going to let her try it. You want to try my coffee? Oh, look at her, Mads. She's having Starbucks at the airport. Yummy. How's it going, Mads? Mads saved a bite of bagel from Starbucks for Penelope. And when she's done eating hers, she'll feed her. Look at her. On the fly. It's okay. Aww. She ate it. You ready? Are you ready?
.255 local time here in Portland, Oregon. Please remain seated until we get to the gate. Be careful opening up the overhead lockers.
Make sure you don't have anything left, okay? You go see your daddy.
Is Daddy picking you guys up?
Yeah. Oh, Mads. They're gonna miss each other so much.
That's beautiful.
You right? It was you had a good flight this way?
Yeah.
I like that plane better too.
Yeah.
And that lady was awesome.
It was more wide. More
Yes.
tall, and
Oh, we're back home. Mads, everybody loved her, huh? Matt, do you want to tell the folks at home anything? We did it!
Yeah, we did it.
We made it back home, guys. Penelope is so cute. I'm glad we brought her.
Don't mind my scabs on my face.
Madison had a reaction to pool water, guys. Poor baby. Anybody else have? You go to our Instagram and tell us if you have a chlorine allergy. And let us know who we should bring next on our next adventure. Penelope. Is that Daddy right there? It is, huh? Go, baby, go.
What character like this?
I know. Daddy! Oh, she's so happy. Where's Penelope? Daddy, you gotta hold her for a minute.
Oh, okay.
She's back. She did it.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Mwah, I love you.
Come to the other side. I got no room in the back.
Mads, I can't wait to film him and see how he reacts to seeing you.
Should I hide behind a bush?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, just watch you sit in it too.
He's rolling over. Ted, let him go peeper. Ted, go pee. Ted, go pee. What a dum-dum, dude. Okay, quit peeing. Quit peeing. Ted, go pee.
Hi, buddy. Did you miss us?
Ted, go pee.
Teddy, go pee.
He peed all over himself. Ted, go pee. Go pee. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty.
Teddy. She missed you. Did you miss us?